Hello everyone, so I'm just inside Dollar Tree and I'm noticing these poster packs are back. For a while we were missing the white ones. They had a variety pack and some other ones, but I hadn't seen these in a little while. So that's always nice. And how many pieces used to come in those packages? I should look at my stash at home. By the way, Jot has these new envelopes which are awesome. So they have like a peel and seal sticker compared to the old-fashioned ones. These little wood boxes will sell really fast because people do the faux tiered book look with these. And just make sure they don't have little hole cutouts on the side. You get this solid box. I feel like Dollar Tree has recently put out a ton of new makeup things. I think these lip glosses typically are available. Not at all Dollar Trees though. These are pretty. I love the little detailing on them. They feel nice too. And they're a good size, they're not tiny. So they have Ioni mascara, and there are two kinds. There's this one and the blue pack. And I wrote down, somebody recommended one over the other. And I wrote it down, but I left it at home. And then there's Sassy and Chic, but they also have Ioni eyelash. I don't know what they're called. Tweezers? Yeah. So the one thing with Dollar Tree is they have the aisle filled with, makeup and toiletries. And then you also will find little islands like this throughout the store. Typically the newer things, or sometimes even just maybe not so popular items. Has anyone tried these? Lots of name brand finds here at Dollar Tree today in the kids' end cap. They have some snacks, Huggies, Baby Gourmet. Oh, and these look like they're on sale, so they must be expiring. Every once in a while, I like taking a look here, see if there's anything new. I haven't seen these with the little shaker portion on the inside. If anyone spots them, please let me know. I love having it at my coffee bar with the cinnamon. It works so well. And I wanted to see if they had the new plates that are more like a flat with a beveled trim. I know some of you were looking for these, but I don't see any new dishware here at Dollar Tree. Have you spotted them? They're just like flat, and then they have a little lip along the side. Sometimes Dollar Tree has the larger version of Comet, so just be mindful of that. They have a taller one. And these are new. So these go in a different section. I was just down the craft aisle, but it was so busy, so I'm back. And you see they have the heart too for Valentine's. Some newer cutouts and stuff, but nothing that I haven't already shown you in previous walkthroughs. There's some little fences, little kits as well, wood boxes. These sold out pretty fast. They had a whole bunch and now basically all gone here. These mini jars of sequins are a really great value. You'll pay a lot more at Michael's for them. These are the Jolie stickers. I just want to see if there's new stuff here. Cute little gem stars. Some more of their Jolie stickers, but I think these are leftovers. They had a few of them hanging on a peg for a while, but I don't see anything new. They also have stickers like these that are almost like an enamel, and they're shiny. I'm going to have to pop by a different Dollar Tree that has a really nice selection of stickers. These are a great kit, but I find that there's too much of the same paper in these. Sometimes I like when they have a variety pack because you need a little scrap of this or that but actually different pieces, not all the same color. These are stamps. They're clear stamps, and they're really nice for making cards, or I use them with embossing, stencils. Sometimes they're not available. They're back in stock, which is nice. Lots of little tools here. These are the glass droppers. They actually have a little glass dropper inside as well, attached to the cap. Not sure if you can tell, but it does have a little latch charm, so you can turn them into a jewelry piece. These are new and they're selling really fast, especially this trio pack. What else is here? Glitter. This is the chunky glitter. My goodness. So this is the company, the Southworth company, that I was finding a bunch of little packages last month. And now look, these are so beautiful. I'm going to open it for you. Just give me a moment. It's hard with one hand. Have a front page. So pretty with lines. Which is your favorite color? Have some pretty pens that might go with it. I don't know. No, definitely not. Same with this one. It's 2 bubble gum pink. Maybe a gold, or even this rose gold one. Yeah, I think this one would be nice. Yeah, definitely. It looks cute. Super cute. I'm still looking for a hybrid pen, but I haven't had any luck. These are new, part of the spring line. Different scents. I just don't know what the throw is like on them, but the little glass jar is super cute. And these are part of the spring line as well. These are so beautiful. They have a glass tip, which you could use in a craft. There are a couple different fish here, and you can use them in a nautical theme stage or staging or setup, and you can write something on them even. These are so fun. What have you done with them? Put pictures or something else in them. I can't remember, but did we see hearts like these? They're ceramic. There's a little house, a star, and I feel like there was a heart. You could make such a cute tiered tray with these. So there's a combination. There's the rectangle and the square. And you can just use something in the middle to boost it up. These are new. Would have been cute as an ornament almost. And I think that these are kind of new as well. I used to have a different one. Anyways, I wanted to share with you something maybe that could go and make that tiered tray. But I'll take a look here at some of the wall decals and stickers. I think that this is a newer line. They're quite shiny. You can easily turn these into table numbers. Just stick a little card to it with a number. And these ones are a bit bigger. These also make really nice table numbers. Votive holders. So retro. They give me 80s vibes. You know, the clothing and colors. These are cute too. Maybe you could use this as the middle stand and then put the tiered layers on top. I'm not sure. There are other pieces sometimes here that would work better. Keep looking. There were some candles that were a little bit chunkier. They were lower, fatter. Cute for Valentine's. Oh, you can paint this. Maybe make it more stone effect. Here are a few items I used to make Dollar Tree DIYs. I also painted some of their little pieces. Just hopefully this inspires you to be able to transform some of the things that you see at Dollar Tree into your own home decor. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.
You ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side. And hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. Yeah.